vibration? The law of vibration is one of the most important laws of existence that you can use to achieve all your desires and wishes. The most basic secret in the law of attraction is the law of vibration. In order to achieve his desires, a person must send the vibration of his goals to the universe. In fact, the law of attraction is a secondary law in the world, and the fundamental law is the law of vibration. Being in the orbit of desires and desires is the law of vibration in the law of attraction. To get to know more about the law of vibration, stay with me on the Knowledgeability channel. If you have the ability to control your thoughts and mind and send positive vibrations in the direction of achieving your dreams through the universe, you can change your decisions and then your actions, and these changes will cause new results in your life. The simpler definition of vibration is that, according to this law, two things, thoughts, or any other thing attract each other with equal vibration. How does the law of vibration work? The mind of every human is constantly sending vibrations to the universe. Everything you hear, see, or think about actually involves the law of vibration. The interesting thing is that every subject you focus on will emit more vibration of the same gender and subject. In other words, everything you pay attention to in life will enter your life from the same spectrum. So you must control your mind and focus on certain subjects and note that it brings the most positive energy towards you in your daily life and brings you closer to your goals. According to the law of attraction, whatever you pay attention to or think about, the same kind of issues will enter your life. Therefore, according to this law, we should pay attention and focus on things that bring good feelings and positive energy into our lives. You should know that believing in this law has a greater effect on attracting positive energy to our lives. Our human mind is not only a transmitter, but also a strong receiver of vibration, in the sense that it can send a new frequency at the moment and can receive the answer of the frequency. This issue makes the work a bit difficult because we have to know what kind we should have a way of thinking to attract the least damage to our lives, and vice versa, to be able to pour the most good and happy into our lives. One of the important points in the discussion of vibration is the statement that every vibration attracts the vibration close to it. The more the vibration emitted by you is accepted and believed by you, the more powerful it will be in your life. In fact, whatever you think and believe, whether big or small, enters your life. We said that it doesn't matter if that request is small or big. What matters is how important your request is to you and how much you value it. How to send a vibration? If you want to send the vibration of your goal or desire to the universe correctly, we must observe two important and effective points correctly. 1. The first point is the intensity and strength of your vibration that you send. This point means how much you believe in this vibration entering your life. 2. The second point is in what time intervals and with how much repetition you always send this vibration. For example, the highest vibration time is near the morning call to prayer until before sunrise, and it has the highest energy level. That's why it is better to write down your wish during this period and repeat it with yourself. Another good time is at sunset because the energy level is very high. How to use the law of attraction to get the best results? Answer: in general, to better use the law of attraction, be very careful about the intensity and power of vibration, as well as the frequency of its repetition, and always use positive affirmations to achieve the goal. You might ask why others don't use the law of vibration? This question arises for many people that if the law of vibration works so easily, then why doesn't everyone use it and send good vibrations? Humans cannot spend enough time on one problem in 24 hours a day. For this reason, they usually specify a certain time of the day to send a good vibration. But the big problem is that due to the fact that humans cannot concentrate enough during the day, 1 hour after sending the vibration with the first unwanted event, they lose control of their mind, and instead of approaching the desired, they move away from it. In order to have a stronger vibration, you must believe that you are worthy of this goal and that you can achieve it. If your mind does not believe that achieving this goal or desire is possible, you cannot achieve it under any circumstances. How to create belief? You can use the existing techniques to make believe. Some of these techniques are whole power of words, power of mind, power of question, power of thought, and by using these techniques, you can create the right beliefs to achieve your goals so that you can finally be considered a person of faith and strength. Visualization is the best way to send vibration. The best way to believe in our goal and desire is mental visualization, because by feeling that desire in your life, you are one step closer to your desire. Of course, the point here is that you should act as if you have achieved what you want. If you want to change, you have to start from within yourself. Changes start from the inside with changes in your thinking and attitude. Then, this change in attitude will change your positive energy level and vibration. In the meantime, there is an important point: choose big goals, but take small steps. Following this point will make it possible to achieve the desired. After you have chosen your goal, now is the time to set a right time also to reach it. Determine according to your conditions and ability. In the end, ask for everything you want with all your heart and soul and work for it, and create an accurate picture of it in your mind. Believe in your ability. Go forward step by step and know that failure is the beginning of victory. And don't despair.